And now, how exactly was the transport situation today? Monday's reopening of schools was characterized by a low number of learners traveling to various schools. It was expected that students would throng bus termini as they traveled back to their respective schools, but a spot check by KBC Channel 1 revealed low turnout of learners. Most schools have slated Tuesday and Wednesday as their opening day. Weekly for Kitch reports.
Being the first day of schools reopening after close to 9 months of closure, it had been expected that learners would throng various bus stations to travel to their respective schools. However, a low number of learners, some accompanied by their parents, was witnessed at the various bus stations we visited, more so at the Tea Room and Machakos bus termini. Operators attributing this development to unpreparedness by both learners and their parents for the return to schools.
Wanafunzi tunawangojea lakini hatuoni. Sijui watafungua shule tarehe ngapi. Tulikuwa tunajiandaa leo na leo hakuna wanafunzi, ni wachache sana.
Kuko na wanafunzi wengi sana hawakurudi shule. Most of them nafikiri wameachwa nyumbani according to vile maneno iko.
The operators are also taking the COVID-19 health protocol seriously, having placed water points at strategic places for hand washing and requiring every passenger to wear a mask.
Masharti ya COVID-19 ziko kama kawaida, zinaingia kwa gari inabeba capacity, wanaosha mkono, watoto wote wamevaa mask.
The operators insinuated that movement among learners is expected to increase starting tomorrow. Bus fares have been increased slightly, but against the advisory by the government, as had been revealed by the Transport Cabinet Secretary during the Sunday's inter-ministry briefing.
Nauri hatukuongeza sana, tumeongeza na 1% kulingana na social distance na ile mkazi iko.
Kawaida fare na kuaga tao ama 12. Kini sasa hii tumeshikwa 13, 12.
The few learners who showed up at the terminal said the fares were beyond the normal amounts usually charged for the same routes. The learners, however, were upbeat that they would arrive in school in time to prepare for the commencement of learning.
Matarajio yangu ni madarasa yameongezwa ama pia ni desk ziwe zimeongezwa mingi na.
Mimi natarajia tu cope na environment haraka sijadi COVID-19 tupeleka aje.
The same script resonating in Eldoret, with passengers traveling to Nairobi stranded at most bus stations due to hiked fares and few vehicles.
The situation is very wanting because we are here. We came here at around 6. There are some people who came here at around 2, though they have left, but they left late than expected.
Meanwhile, the Kenya Railways Corporation has expanded its services in efforts to facilitate movement of learners amid schools reopening. In a statement, the rail service operator said it had added another passenger train on the Nairobi-Mombasa rail line, which will depart both termini at 9 p.m. and will make stopovers at intermediate stations. This, in addition to the intra-city commuter rail service, which commenced service today after the festive season. Weekly for Kitch, Channel 1 News.